the kitchen looks like. I was doing deep cleaning. So finally, I get to wake up in the morning like fresh. So alhamdulillah that I did this, because I always do like deep cleaning every twice a week. I deep clean my entire apartment. So this is what I did. So today was like doing the kitchen, so I deep cleaned the kitchen. So that's what I did today. And I hope it looks cute. I'm gonna put everything back in place. I cleaned the cabinets, the microwave, the stove. I even like pull the stove and then clean it underneath. The refrigerator, I cleaned it too. I have to go to like grocery shopping now. I gotta go to grocery shopping, get some, grocery that I need. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, so this is how the kitchen looks like so far. I even, like clean my dishwasher. So basically that's what I did. And then the sink. So basically that's what I did. I cleaned it out.